If you're seeing a Stripe API connection error, it means your app or website can't communicate with Stripe's servers. Yeah, this usually happens because of network issues, incorrect API keys, or outdated SSL certificates. But don't worry, in this guide, I'll show you how to fix Stripe API connection errors step by step. And first, make sure you're using the correct API keys, live keys for production, and test keys for development. Using the wrong key can trigger connection errors. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or blocked connection can prevent your app from reaching Stripe's servers. Make sure your firewall or server security settings aren't blocking Stripe's API endpoints. Whitelist the Stripe API domain if needed. Stripe requires a secure connection, so make sure your SSL certificate is valid and up to date. Expired or invalid certificates can cause connection failures. After verifying keys and network settings, retry your API request. Temporary network issues can sometimes trigger a one-time failure. If the error persists, contact Stripe support. They can check your account logs and provide guidance for resolving API connection errors. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes Stripe API connection errors so your app can communicate with Stripe smoothly. If this helped, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tutorials.